definitely a much different feel now that we have the floors lovely and sanded. They turned out really nice. We're quite happy with them. But so this is what I meant by it's a little bit more rustic than American standards. There's kind of a big gap between some of the boards, but that's just par for the course here. So here is the living dining room sort of area. So we've already started to take off some of the wallpaper. It's actually not as bad as we thought it would be. I mean, it rips off pretty easily just with tearing it, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. There's 2 layers of wallpaper in this room. The other room only has 1 layer, but one of, well, the top layer is painted, but still it comes off pretty easily. And we're left with a bit of a disaster after they took out the faux fireplace, so we'll have to do something. Such a shame. You can see the old outline of the old fireplace that they had. It was gorgeous. I mean, it curved up and it had a really nice mantle. And for some reason they ripped it out and threw it away and put that horrible, ugly faux fireplace. I can't imagine anybody doing that. And they also boarded up this Edinburgh press. It just is it's the size of a door, and it's a recessed shelf, which it'll be nice once we're gonna have to take off these boards and expose the new one, and then add some molding around the sides, paint it probably so we don't have that dark wood. And that will be nice when it's done, but yeah, we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do with this area. I mean, it's pretty, things are falling off and it's exposing the timbers behind. They've completely bricked up the old fireplace, which is, again, such a shame. But the hearth is still there, so you can see the outline of where they had the wood down. So at least we have good bones, you might say, but I think we're gonna try to get maybe a salvaged mantelpiece, put that in, and then just tile it over, which a lot of people do these days because you can't actually have a wood-burning fireplace in the city anymore anyway. So that we don't have to worry about the uneven wall, because the bricks stick out a bit from the wall, so even if we wanted to just paint the whole thing over, there would still be a big ugly thing there. So I think if we can retile it, that hopefully should cover it pretty well, but that will be a chore. But the floors look nice. We're happy about the floors.